Hello, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News. A television personality Zekeleke found himself at the center of a social media storm after his pants fell during a recording of Mojo Love's reality show 012 Love, with his underwear also sipping in the process. In the clip, which aired on the 15th of August 2026, shows the moment Zekeleke's trousers dropped, partially exposing him on camera. The footage spread rapidly across an X account after Ulundi London on X reposted it with the caption, "This is so wrong, poor Zekeleke." Her sympathy for Zekeleke did not stop the clip from going viral, drawing hundreds of thousands of views and igniting a fierce debate about dignity and exploitation on reality TV. What has infuriated many viewers is not merely the incident itself, but the apparent decision by producers to leave the footage in the final broadcast rather than edit it out. Critics argue that the channel prioritized ratings over the dignity of its cast member. The backlash taps into a broader frustrations amongst viewers who feel Moja Love consistently places vulnerable or working class South Africans in situations that makes for dramatic viewing at their own expense. Zekeleke, who is a well-known personality in South African entertainment circle, has previously been the subject of viral moments of the channel, prompting repeats calls from fans to treat him with greater respect on screen. Anyways, you guys, what do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video. Do make sure that you do share it. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.